Hello friends! Welcome! Today I am going to show you how you can buy domains at cheaper prices. First, you need to search for the website called TLD List on Google. Now open the first website, that is tld-list.com. Now, on the left side of the screen, you will get the search button to search the domain name you are looking for. Search the desired domain name in this box and hit enter. Now you will get the lists of the domains providers with their prices. You will also get the coupon code which will work while buying your domains. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe this channel for more such videos.